For 2025, around more or less around 20 million has been obligated for the travels of the vice, for the travels of the OVP, and including the expenses of the security personnel and the civilian personnel.
Ito po, in particular, are just foreign trips. Hindi kasama yung trips to Davao, Cebu, Mindanao. All foreign expenses lang po itong 20 million.
Yes.
Okay, sir, for the 2026 budget, how much has been allocated for the Vice President's trips abroad?
For 2026?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For 2026, the allocation is 20 million for under for 2026. This is the lowest allocation since 2023, and the highest allocation made was 31.5 million.
Sir, last question on the topic. For 2025, ilang percent na po ng travel expense allocation yung natitira? And how many countries has the Vice President been to that covered 20 million pesos?
Can we move to the next question? I'll check lang.
Sige, sir, balikan niyo ko ha?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you, sir.
As of July 31 is 20.68 million. I stand corrected with the statement of 20 million for the foreign travels. The 20.68 million, 13.21 million of which is under local travels and 7.47 million under the foreign travels of the OVP. Out of 20.68 million as of July 31, 13.207 million under local travels, and foreign travels 7.473 million. 7.473. The 7.47 million was utilized for the security personnel of the OVP and including the close-in for the civilian personnel.
Tama po ba na so far, every time na magta-travel si VP Sara abroad, ang covered niya po is her personal expenses as well as her family's expenses. But as for her security, that's still under taxpayers' money?
Yes, under the OVP fund.
Under the OVP fund. Thank you, sir.
Okay, we have follow-up from Rappler.